My friend is actually swearing looking at this street itself. Let me show you why he's swearing. He's saying main road, his GPS is confused, we can't find the hotel, and he's looking back down. He's like, we need to be down here. He's like, what the heck is this? And he's swearing. Oh my gracious me, this is unbelievable. Welcome to Chongqing. 5 minutes there, but don't know how many minutes I might have walked past. Hello. It's quite good. Good of whoever did those. Well done. Just planted some tracks for us. Yippee! You see how easy it is just to mount and move. Well done. Yeah, somebody broke off. I wonder which equipment they used to do that. Yeah, because this is quite a high point going down. So yeah, it is, and the slope is quite intense, so it's good. All right, so this is what it looks like. The sun is so that is where we would like to go. Down there. Well, I wouldn't say that we have come late. There is no sun today, unlike yesterday. Yeah, where did the sun go? This is afternoon time. But I don't know, maybe if you come in early in the morning, but still you would be putting yourself at risk coming in the morning. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to each and every single one of you from Chongqing. And yes, pretty much I just woke up. To be honest, it's been a very stressful trip, but yeah, I'm absolutely battered. But yeah, so let me bring you guys the topography of Chongqing. It hasn't been easy navigating this side of China. Absolutely incredible itself. So yeah, so anyways, that's the roadside, and lo and behold, if you go down, escalator, that's another escalator, you have another escalator on here, and what do we have? Still you going, and I believe you still need to go down some, I don't know, levels before you get to the ground floor. As you can see, the workers are working, but there is still a ground level. This is crazy. So yeah, that lady just walked up the staircase and then you hit the road. what a topography. Anyways, I'll be out. Let me go and get my SIM card, because I did roaming with Skinny Mobile, which is Skinny New Zealand. That's the mobile service that provide service in New Zealand, but it looks like what has happened is their service is not working here in China. So there is nothing that I can do, but I need to go and purchase another SIM. Yeah. Anyways, which is quite annoying that after paying for such service, you have to go get the physical SIM card itself. Anyways, it is what it is. So yes, I'll be headed out to go and get the SIM card, and once I get the SIM card, I'll just go and visit some places around here, so that at least I can cover some places before I head off back to Chengdu tomorrow. So yeah, absolutely incredible. All right, those girls have been there since the past 30 minutes. They came from the upside, they sat down, and now they are going back up. So yeah, they've been there for quite a long while. But anyways, let me see. I'm on the 28th floor of my hotel room. I think if I go down to maybe something like 10th floor or 6th floor or 5th floor, it will be much easier to get a better view of this area. Yeah, because the higher you go, the lens is not really strong enough to zoom to the maximum. Anyways, yeah, I'll go to the 10th or the 5th floor or 6th floor to get a better view of the area itself. Oh, geez, what a jump it is. Alrighty, so let's keep moving. I need to be out of here, to be honest. I'll take a taxi to go and get the SIM card. He gave me an address, or the reception guys gave me an address of where I have to go in order to get the SIM. So yeah, that's where I'll be headed off to. And hopefully I can show you guys the night view of Chongqing, which I haven't been able to do, in all honesty. But yeah, I'll be able to do that. All right, okay, one elevator is open already, so I'll be using that. But in the meantime, let me quickly see what this artwork is all about. All right, so yeah, let's use the elevator. All right, we have arrived at the 5th floor, 6th floor actually. Yeah, it's this direction. Yeah, always turn left, I think. Let's see if the 6th floor has viewing viewing spot. Yep, looks like every floor does have it on here. So actually this is the wrong spot. I need to go higher. Okay, apologies for that. Yeah, I need to go higher if I will need to get the full view. Anyways, yeah, this is the 6th floor, but it's not as high as we need it to be. Still, the topography is still quite rough on here. Anyways, let's head back towards the elevator, and yeah, let's go maybe 10. 4 more floors would help. All right, I have decided to double the floor, so we're on the 12th floor. So we go left turn again, and that's the viewing spot. Let's see if this is as high as we need it to be. It's pretty fair. It's not so bad. Yeah, it is all right. Now that is bang on perfect. Okay, that's bang on perfect. It's not too high, it's not too low. Not too sure what these kids are doing. Yeah, this is a real banger of a topography. I have not seen this before in my life. I haven't seen this topography ever before in my life. This is mesmerizing, absolutely mesmerizing. Incredible. Incredible. Anyways, I believe that should be where I will end this particular segment. Let me go outside. Possibly need to take a taxi, and then when I get to whichever street or the name of the location which I was given, probably add the video in terms of whatever I find. Yeah, I'll continue to add to the video as we explore Chongqing. Wherever I find, I will add it to the video, and yeah, hopefully we can show you guys more things. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys very much. Yeah, let me grab my water because it's very humid in this area. It's not as cold as Moscow. Here is almost in the 26, in the 30s of degrees. I think this room is opened for, I don't know, ventilation or something. Maybe they are still cleaning it. But anyways, let me get out of here. Thank you guys very much, and yeah, we'll continue to add to the video. Thank you. All right, I'm on the ground floor of the hotel. Thank you. All right, I'll be heading out now. Okay. Lo and behold, the weather is not favorable today. Weather ain't favorable today, hazy. Before it was quite clear, but on this side it is extra hazy. At night, and I tell you at night that building or this building in front of you lights up, so I'll try to get it at night when I come back, but it does turn off maybe after 12 o'clock or so. Anyways, let me catch my taxi, and thank you guys very much for tuning in. Like I said, we'll just continue to add to the video of Chongqing. Whatever I find, whatever I see, I'll bang it on, and then you guys can discuss in the comment section. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys very much, and I will see you guys soon.